so I am here in Silhouette Studio. I have the business edition, but I'm going to show you a couple of the features here that are pretty general across the board between business, the regular studio, and designer's edition. For one thing would be this A over here. If you click that A, the little typing tab will show up, and then you can start to type whatever you want right here. Now, say for instance, if you want to change the font, you can type, let's just say, good old Bob, whoever Bob may be. Shout out to you, Bob. All right, then we'll go over here to this control panel where it has this A, and then all of your fonts that you have stored in here, you can click on Bob, and then let's say we want to do Impact, and then Bob changes to Impact. Okay, all right, so over here where it says edit, there is a select all feature there. Deselect all, cut, copy, paste, all of that is in there. Then new, open, merge, save as, that's where you want to save whatever documents that you have here. On this control part right here, it has save, print, if you want to save it in a folder. This thing that says view, you can do zoom. You can check or uncheck the ruler, which the ruler is this right here. So if I uncheck it, the ruler removes. Okay, and then if you click on this plus sign here, then it will add another document. Now, as you see right here, see this little thing here, which is right here. This actually symbolizes your actual mat. These mats come in 12 by 12. This is how the mat is supposed to look. Also, we have the color panel, which is here, and it is also over here. All right, so see right here, this is actually, there's two places you can do color, here or here. And then if you go here, this is your media section, and you can actually type in exactly the height of the paper that you have. And then let's see, right here is where you are putting trace lines on things that you need to put trace lines on. For example, say for instance, if you have an image that is a circle and you import it into the software, you want to click on this trace area, select that area, and then right here it will say trace. Click on trace unless it is actually within a white background, then you do trace and detach. I will try to do a separate video on that process too. So this here says image effects. All of this stuff down here is actually not within the regular studio, the original studio. This is all business edition stuff. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to do a video on this design studio, the business edition, or whatever other software. If I can do it, I definitely will do that for you guys. You know, I'm here for y'all. Anywho, but I just want to really show y'all the basics, you know, the basic stuff. So over here, lines, so here would be lines, squares, you know, just basic shapes. Drawing a line, freehand tool here, eraser, knife tool. Say if you want to cut some heat transfer paper, Then that's when you go back over to this media size, and then you go back down to letter, which a piece of heat transfer paper is usually 8.5 by 11 or 8 by 11. So there's that. And then after you do whatever document that you have, you will click send over here. And then once you go to send, over here in this little area, this area right here is where you change whatever media that you have. So make sure before you do any print, you change that, because if you don't, you could overcut something. If you have a piece of regular smooth vinyl and then you cut it under glitter, then you just ruined the whole project. All right, it should always stay on cut. And then auto blade is what I have in, but see, it has ratchet blade and deep cut blade, but most of the time if you're starting out, you will have an auto blade. All right, and then here is where you will have the cut for, so it goes all the way from 1 to 10. Make sure that when you are about to print something, the cord here, the USB cord, is hooked into your computer. If not, then you want to make sure that your Bluetooth is available. See here where it says Bluetooth compatibility, so Bluetooth is available. So make sure that that is completely set up. I'm going to show you in another video how to set up the Bluetooth function. Most of the time, to be honest with you, I stay right in this section. I don't even have to move from here. When you get ready to print, you go to send, the store. That is where you can get different fonts and images. Sometimes there's free stuff in there. Silhouette library. That is a good place to keep certain images that you would have in here. Good place. Yeah, so that's basically the gist of that. You guys stay tuned for my outro. I hope you guys enjoyed going through the Silhouette Design Studio with me. If you guys need any help with anything that I did not mention, please comment down below or go over to my Instagram page and DM me over there and let me know if I can help you guys with anything. If I can, I definitely will. Thank you guys for viewing another video, and make sure that you're liking, commenting, and subscribing, and stay tuned, because very, very soon we are going to be doing a giveaway. Yes, our first giveaway on this channel. Make sure you're looking out for that. I want to make sure I'm finding something really cool for you guys that'll help you on doing t-shirts. If you're new, hopefully I can find something that's beneficial to you, whether you are new, old, whatever. If you want to gift it, either way, it'll be a good giveaway. Stay tuned for more videos. As usual, I have a my way so I can inspire you to have a your way.